In this video, we'll explore and compare the population and area sizes of US states. This comparison offers insight into the diverse scales and densities across the country. Understanding the vastness and diversity of US states provides insight into the country's geographical and demographic landscape. From the expansive wilderness of Alaska to the bustling urban centers of California, each state offers a unique blend of size and population. State comparisons. Wyoming. With a population of approximately 584,057, Wyoming spans 97,813 square miles, 253,335 square kilometers. Idaho, home to around 1,964,726 residents. Idaho covers 83,569 square miles, 216,443 square kilometers, characterized by rugged landscapes and vast wilderness. Utah, with a population of about 3,417,734, Utah encompasses 84,897 square miles, 219,882 square kilometers, known for its diverse terrain from arid deserts to mountainous regions. Kansas, approximately 2,940,546 people reside in Kansas, which spans 82,278 square miles, 213,100 square kilometers, of predominantly flat plains. Nebraska, home to around 1,978,379 individuals, Nebraska covers 77,348 square miles, 200,330 square kilometers, featuring vast prairies and farmland. South Dakota, with a population of approximately 919,318, South Dakota encompasses 77,116 square miles, 199,729 square kilometers, known for the Black Hills and Mount Rushmore. North Dakota, hosting about 783,926 residents, North Dakota spans 70,698 square miles, 183,108 square kilometers, characterized by the Great Plains and Badlands. Oklahoma, approximately 4,053,824 people live in Oklahoma, which covers 69,899 square miles, 181,037 square kilometers, of diverse landscapes, including prairies and forests. Missouri, home to around 6,196,156 individuals, Missouri encompasses 69,707 square miles, 180,540 square kilometers, featuring a mix of forests, plains, and rivers. Florida, with a population of approximately 22,610,726, Florida spans 65,758 square miles, 170,312 square kilometers, known for its beaches and wetlands. Wisconsin, hosting about 5,910,955 residents, Wisconsin covers 65,496 square miles, 169,635 square kilometers, characterized by its dairy farms and numerous. Georgia, approximately 11,029,227 people reside in Georgia, which encompasses 59,425 square miles, 153,910 square kilometers, of mountains, forests, and coastal areas. Michigan, home to around 10,037,261 individuals, Michigan spans 96,714 square miles, 250,487 square kilometers, notable for its Great Lakes shoreline. Minnesota, with a population of approximately 5,737,915, Minnesota covers 86,936 square miles, 225,163 square kilometers, known as the Land of 10,000 Lakes. Colorado, hosting about 5,877,610 residents, Colorado encompasses 104,094 square miles, 269,601 square kilometers, of mountainous terrain and high plains. Nevada, approximately 3,194,176 people live in Nevada, which spans 110,572 square miles, 286,380 square kilometers, of mostly desert landscape. Arizona, home to around 7,431,344 individuals, Arizona covers 113,990 square miles, 295,234 square kilometers, famous for the Grand Canyon and arid climate. New Mexico, with a population of approximately 2,114,371, New Mexico encompasses 121,590 square miles, 314,917 square kilometers, known for its desert landscapes and rich Native American history. Montana, hosting about 1,132,812 residents, Montana spans 147,040 square miles, 380,831 square kilometers of rugged terrain, including the Rocky Mountains. California, approximately 38,965,193 people reside in California, which covers 163,695 square miles, 423,967 square kilometers of diverse landscapes, from beaches to mountains. Texas, home to around 30,503,301 individuals, Texas encompasses 268,596 square miles, 695,662 square kilometers, featuring deserts, forests, and coastline. Alaska, with a population of approximately 733,406, Alaska is the largest state, spanning 665,384 square miles, 1,723,337 square kilometers of wilderness, including mountains and forests. Delaware, with a population of approximately 1,018,396, Delaware spans 2,489 square miles, 6,446 square kilometers, making it the second smallest state by area. Connecticut, home to about 3,605,597 people, Connecticut covers 5,543 square miles, 14,357 square kilometers. Hawaii, this island state, has a population of around 1,435,138 and an area of 10,932 square miles, 28,313 square kilometers. Massachusetts, with approximately 7,001,399 residents, Massachusetts encompasses 10,554 square miles, 27,336 square kilometers. New Jersey, densely populated with about 9,288,994 people, New Jersey covers 8,723 square miles, 22,591 square. New Hampshire, hosting around 1,377,529 residents, New Hampshire spans 9,349 square miles, 24,214 square kilometers. Vermont, with a population of approximately 643,077, Vermont covers 9,616 square miles, 24,906 square kilometers. Rhode Island, the smallest state by area, Rhode Island has about 1,110,822 residents and spans 1,545 square miles, 4,001 square kilometers. Maryland, approximately 6,180,253 people reside in Maryland, which covers 12,406 square miles, 32,131 square kilometers. West Virginia, home to about 1,770,071 residents, West Virginia spans 24,230 square miles, 62,756 square kilometers. South Carolina, with a population of approximately 5,373,555, South Carolina covers 32,020 square miles, 82,933 square kilometers. Maine, hosting around 1,395,722 people, Maine encompasses 35,380 square miles, 91,633 square kilometers. Indiana, approximately 6,862,199 residents live in Indiana, which spans 36,420 square miles, 94,326 square kilometers. Kentucky, with about 4,526,154 people, Kentucky covers 40,408 square miles, 104,656 square kilometers. Louisiana, home to approximately 4,573,749 residents. Louisiana spans 52,378 square miles, 135,659 square kilometers. Mississippi, with a population of around 2,939,690, Mississippi covers 48,432 square miles, 125,438 square kilometers. New York, densely populated with about 19,571,216 people, New York spans 54,555 square miles, 141,297 square kilometers. North Carolina, hosting approximately 10,835,491 residents, North Carolina covers 53,819 square miles, 139,391 square kilometers. Ohio, with about 11,785,935 people, Ohio encompasses 44,826 square miles, 116,098 square kilometers. Pennsylvania, approximately 12,961,683 residents live in Pennsylvania, which spans 46,054 square miles, 119,280 square kilometers. Tennessee, home to around 7,126,489 people, Tennessee covers 42,144 square miles, 109,153 square kilometers. Virginia, with a population of approximately 8,715,698, Virginia spans 42,775 square miles, 110,787 square kilometers. Alabama, approximately 5,108,468 residents reside in Alabama, which covers 52,420 square miles, 135,767 square kilometers. Arkansas, home to about 3,067,732 people, Arkansas spans 53,179 square miles, 137,732 square kilometers. Iowa, with a population of approximately 3,207,004, Iowa covers 56,273 square miles, 145,746